Home ownership has long been hailed as the quintessential embodiment of the American dream. However, the landscape of housing aspirations is evolving. Build-to-rent communities have gained significant traction over the past 5 years, offering a premium living experience that goes above and beyond the traditional narrative of home ownership. Are you ready to embrace the perks of a build-to-rent community?
At Wan Bridge, our mission is to be on a mission. We really are focused on growing and building better. Hassle-free living means easy. We really want to be able to provide a home without the hassle. The benefits of renting a home over buying it: renting allows you the flexibility of picking when and where you live. You're not going to be stuck with the hidden cost of home ownership. You have the home feeling and all of the services provided to you.
Rent better. Let Wan Bridge focus on your home so you can focus on your life.
Wan Bridge offers and develops a variety of communities, whether it's a duplex, a townhome, a single-family home, so that people are able to choose from all of our Wan Bridge communities. We want to build better in a variety of ways: building better communities, building better homes, building better products that stay with us and have longevity. As a company, we want to build better opportunities for our employees, so we've implemented a program called Homegrown. We are ensuring that every one of our employees knows what their career path is, what their next job title and career plan can be, and how that can help them grow and fit within the business as we grow as well.
We're a unique company because we're fully integrated from the land purchase to development, design, construction, management, and service. Our design team really spends a lot of time and effort to design these homes for our residents with high-end finishes like granite countertops in our bathrooms, our kitchen, laminate LVB flooring, to backlit rope lighting in the family room. When we're designing these homes, we're looking at things like 10-foot plate ceiling heights on the first floor, big walk-in closets, 2-car garages. It's all to give the residents a better experience. I think what makes Wan Bridge unique is our 5-star service that we offer our residents.
We actually have 3-bedroom homes as well as 4-bedroom homes. We do have townhomes as well. The single-family homes also have the backyards fenced, so a lot of families really enjoy that. Favorite elements? I have several actually. The island in the kitchen is great. The natural light throughout the home. There's windows in the garage itself. There's windows in the walk-in closets as well as the pantry and the kitchen. So you do get a lot of natural light throughout the home. Another element of the home that I also find very beneficial would be that the primary bedrooms are on the first floor as well as on the second floor. So if you do have anyone in the home or visits that cannot necessarily do stairs, you do have that option to make the guest bedroom or a primary bedroom downstairs. The primary bedrooms have very large walk-in closet as well as the primaries on the second floor. The guest bedrooms have the walk-in closet. Some of them have the elongated closets rather than the walk-in, but they are very spacious. So it does give you a variety depending on what your preference is and what works best for you. You also have the pantry off the side of the kitchen, which has additional shelving. There's lots of space in there that you can use too. For example, under the staircase, we do utilize that space. We also have a step up in the garage where you can utilize to put shelving and storage as well. So we do try to utilize as much of that free space as possible so that there is adequate storage for anyone no matter what they have. We're very excited for our pool area. So we'll have a pool with a deck. We are putting in a dog park as well. We're also working on utilizing a boat ramp on site.
Wan Bridge creates beautiful communities where residents can live, work, and play.
We found Lakeside Conroe. We found it as an advantage to rent. The amenities, no maintenance. It's been awesome for us.
Wan Bridge, this is for families. You got a really amazing office staff, very professional. Jess and team's been awesome. The resident experience has been great. And I look forward to being here for at least another 2-3 years or years to come.
Renting is such a great option. It's just like a home, but with hopefully less hassle. We want to continue to offer wonderful communities and wonderful homes to the residents of Texas for many years to come.
Want to know more about Wan Bridge? Visit wanbridge.com and visit us at designingspaces.tv.